totally dark here, guys. I don't know how safe it is to walk. My God.
Also the
Hi guys, hello. I'm back with another vlog, and today I'm starting my vlog on Friday night because we're going for some exciting stuff. It is very exciting, guys. We are going for a turtle walk. I don't know how many of you guys know about turtle walk. We get a chance to participate in that event. That event is like a historical event, guys, and for me it is a new thing. We will together explore what is turtle walk and why it is important and why it is historical. All these questions you will going to see in this video. So let's go. It's 11 in the night. So let's go. We will explore. So guys, we came to that beach. This is Pallambakam something beach, and I don't know where we have to go. We are waiting for our team. Once they will be here, but I cannot see how beach look and all that. But some good air is coming from this side, guys, and I can see the 2-3 ships light, and I can see the white waves little bit. I don't know whether it is visible for you or not, but it's just an amazing weather, guys, here. I'm feeling so good. Oh my God, this air.
A few moments later.
So I think, guys, we reached at our starting point, and I don't know if you can see or not, but I am at the beach. And let's go. We're going inside.
so there'll be an uptrack, there'll be a downtrack, and then the genus.
So guys, we just had a small meeting over here, and right now there are too many team members. I am feeling little shy to get introduced to them, but what I am doing is waiting here because at 1:30 we will going to start our walk. Till now we have this beautiful beach. People are resting here, people are chit-chatting here, and this beach is really fantastic. We're walking, I don't know where is go far. So guys, we are walking onto the beach to search some eggs nest. It is little dark here, so that's why I'm using my flash, and I hope we will start soon hunting the nest of turtles. It is hard to vlog here, but I'm trying my best. I hope we'll find the nest so that I can share that thing also. It's totally dark here, guys. I don't know how safe it is to walk, but I'm doing this. I'm really enjoying.
A few moments later.
Guys, I think we found something on this beach, and these people are searching for that. Let's see what is there.
If you're not hurry, you might
Oh my God.
Also the probing, so you should go very carefully. Do carefully. 20 centimeters deep. Unless you
guys, we came back and right now I'm in my room. We came back in the early morning. I slept well. Now it's afternoon, I think so. Whole night isn't dark, guys. It's very hard to vlog there, but I try my best to whatever you just saw. But I didn't tell you what exactly the turtle walk, what about that eggs and what that thing, why we are doing that thing. So here we are, guys. Actually the turtle walk is nothing but the term which is related to the conservation of turtles in Chennai. From 1970s they started this activity. That activity is like the bunch of people or the group of people in the month of January and February or in March, they goes to the coast areas, means on beaches, and the whole night they walk on the beaches and they try to search the turtle eggs, turtle nest, because the turtles came to the coast side and then they give eggs. But you know, nowadays our coastline and our beaches are so busy. There are too many dogs. Many people in weekend they go with their vehicles. It means all I want to say is like the beaches are not safe for the reproduction or the production cycle for the turtles. If a vehicle crosses or the dogs, they can easily find that nest and they can destroy. So that's what happening. A lot of scientists and we have very good research on this turtle reproduction system. It's our job to keep our nature and our sea creatures, to conserve them. So this is one of the activity which was going in Chennai from the last, I don't know, 30-40 years. From internet I can see that there one website is there. It is like sstcn.org. I will link in the description. You go and check out. You can read all the histories. And if you want to join this activity, you can contact those people from this website, so that you can also experience what I experienced. So it was a really thrilling experience, guys. I never slept on the beach in the night, in the dark night. I walk in the dark night. I did not record all the things because there is total darkness, but it was a great experience, guys. If you are staying in Chennai, I will suggest you to please go and do this activity. So this is all about turtle walk. So it's a good thing. I did something good for my nature. I feel very good. I'm looking for a one good 2 BHK or 3 BHK. If anybody is there in Chennai who can help me with that, please help me, guys. Otherwise, I have 2-3 contacts. Let's hope I will finalize something. And surely the next video is all about, I think so, the search a place in the Chennai district. So stay tuned, guys, because once my all setup is done, our videos and the stuffs which is going slowly now, it will suddenly take a rise. And because I have a ton of things planned for Chennai, guys. I don't know why I am not getting a subscriber, whether I am not doing up to the level or you guys are not understanding what I'm saying. Please comment down below, guys, what to do to increase my subscriber or what, because we need a subscriber, guys. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and tell your friends also to subscribe if they like my videos. Till then, see you, bye bye. I'll see you in the next week. Bye. Good thing is happening in this week. One of my friends from Pune came to see me. Hi. Is Gorakhnath from Pune. Finally, I'm meeting someone after a very long time. Pune and Chennai, I think so. Right now, main difference is like a temperature. Okay. So we will have friend time, and I will catch you guys in another activity.